Good day, with the BANanoVuetifyAD3 version 3 beta, we explore the BANanoServer implementation. Your final product here is a Java jar file that runs on your server. Unlike the browser-based projects we have been doing before, there is no Banano ready call. For this to work, one needs a two-pair approach to creating apps. One creates the browser and a server version of the handler. Think of handlers like Vue.js routers. As this is a Jetty server project, one is able to use native libraries just like any V4X project. We will create our app the normal way we have been doing, but will we do this on the browser page? Each browser page should be prefixed by the word browser. The second part of the browser pair is the server prefixed class module. A BANanoServer application is a WebSocket-based application. Yes, you can also add other Jetty-based handlers/routers to listen for payloads and do other things. We have added a code module to keep some variables that we will use during the app. We initialize our app on WebSocket connected and create our user interface and add other router pages. We only have one Jetty server handler here. We add our router pages the way we did before. The events follow the same structure we are accustomed to. As we are looking on the IndexedDB backend, we need some scripts to create the Backend Database. We create a test database. This will have a users table with ID, age, name as fields. In our previous tutorials, we have done a similar thing when we looked at the backend databases. Here we use the same view we used before. Nothing has been changed, except just adding the global Vuetify instance that we always want to know. This is the starting point for the initialize subroutine. Let's run the application. The Jetty server will fire our app and we will be able to access this on port 55056. As you can see on the logs on the right, the process has started. We will then open our browser on the local host, to experience the app. We are online. Let's explore the pages. For this part we look at the CRUD functionality using IndexedDB. This is via the BananoSQL class built within Banano. As you have noted, this part of the user interface is exactly the same like before. We add a user, get all users, get some, delete some, update some, etc.